morning. Man, I am proud of this baby. This is a 408 Cleveland. I don't get a chance to build some of the older engines all the time. These Clevelands, they're fantastic. Why they were so terrible? Because of the cylinder heads. But once that was figured out years ago, they made great parts for them. Again, this is a 4-bolt main block, a full Ford's rotating assembly. I put all my little trinkets and tricks into this thing with quality parts. 550 horse, 550 torque, pulling up to 58. Hey, you need any more than that? Let me know. I can build that too. But again, if you're looking for any style engine, give me a call. Steve will be happy to put something together for you, and you'll be happy that you did. Because I'll tell you, I used to have some customers that would call and say, hey, I went to somebody else, you know, because you were a few dollars more and the motor's no good. Can I come in? And I said, hey, you can pay me now or pay me later. I have a lot of them, and I said, we'll pay you now instead of later. Peace. All right, Jose, I got your 64 Ford Cobra engine here. You're gonna love this thing. It's a 408 Cleveland, and it definitely makes some nice power. I'm gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. Oh, hope if I turn the ignition on. Can't fire the motor up without spark, Bradley. All right, oil pressure's fantastic. Our AFRs are beautiful. Motor makes some nice power on the first two pulls. We're about 160 degrees on water temperature. We're ready to roll. There we go. What a nice. Man, you're going to love that. 64 Cobra. Look out, brother. Enjoy.